Have you come to this channel wanting to build your own MMO, but you don't even know how to program yet? Hi, I'm James Proctor with the Unity MMO developers, and much like you, I started out the same way. I started with web development when I was in high school. Then, when I was 18, I got this idea for an MMO that I wanted to develop. I had no idea about game development, I had no idea how to program, and over time, I slowly learned the stuff that I needed to learn. I had some great mentors that I followed. I had some great resources that I found, and I was slowly able to build up and build my knowledge up over the last 10 years or so. So, in this series, I want to try and give back. I want to try and teach you guys how to program, teach you guys at least the basics so then you can go and know what it is that you need to learn and find out for yourself. And this series will be going over variables, we'll be going over if and else if statements, we'll be going over switch statements, we'll be going over while statements, we will be going into multi-threaded programming, and we'll be going over some more advanced topics. In each video, we will start out introducing a new concept, then we will learn how to combine all this stuff that we've already learned together, and then you'll be given a assignment to do for the next week. So that's how the series will be going. That's how each video will be going. And again, this was just a very quick introduction. Um, there's a link in the description to our Discord server if you have any questions. If you have any suggestions on what you would like to see covered, and if you need any help with any of the assignments or anything, feel free to join the Discord. There will also be links in the description to assets that are used on this channel. I will have links to the MMORPG framework. There will be links to some of the different 3D assets that I've used. And so please go ahead and check those out. And in the next video, we will be going over variables. So until then, have a good day.